Hi, this will be an installation of this aux adapter kit that I got from Amazon for $24. It's supposed to be able to hook this up to the aux port from my Honda Odyssey EX and supposed to make this button work. Okay, so to do that, you need to remove this panel and then remove the radio so you can plug this to the back of the radio. Let me show that to you. To remove the panel, you need to open this and you're gonna see a small notch right around over there, and that one you just have to pry it open. There's no screw attached at all, so let's see. And you just go around. Pull it up. You're not gonna break it. Okay, now you go around on the other side. Basically pry it right here. So now you can lift this thing up. Okay, you need to be careful when you lift it up because it has 3 cords attached to it. One to this button, one to the emergency, and another to the control panel. So you need to go to each one and unhook them. So you basically just press them and take them up. All right, I'll be back. So I unhook all the stuff. So there's one here. This is the one that you press. Another one here, and the other one fell over there. So I just have to grab it after when I put it back. So these are the back of the panel. 1, 2, and 3. Step is to remove the radio. To remove the radio, you need either an 8mm socket or a long Phillips screwdriver. This is number 2, and this fits on all the screws. You're gonna need a long one because there is a screw right over there that you need to reach. So this is about 9 inches, and I just have a good reach right now. So if you have a shorter one, then don't even start because you're not going to be able to reach that far. So at least a 9-inch length screwdriver or an extension. So I have an extension too, so I'm going to use that for this application. 3 screws, one here, one over there, and another one in the back. So let me take those out and then I'll be back. When you remove the screw, you just have to pull this gently. And you need to know that this is on the way. So I have to get my key and put it on neutral so I can move the radio. This is covering the radio, so I need to move it to neutral in order for me to pull the radio. Okay, and see what's behind it. Okay, so let's see what's behind my radio. Okay, so here's what's behind my radio. It actually has this, and this one I have to unplug this. I'm not sure. This is they said it's probably the CD changer, so unplugging this might disable my CD changer, so I'm gonna have to check that out. And then another one here, so I just need to plug this cable right here, and that's where I plugged my new adapter, replacing the white plug there. We'll see what functionality it's gonna lose, but according to this radio, this should be XM ready. So I would think that's for the XM satellite, but not really sure. It could be the CD changer. So I'm gonna check CD changer after I install this. Okay, so basically I just put the radio back by pushing it back in. It snapped back into place. I ran this on the middle where the other screw is. So I'm gonna try to run it. I'm thinking on putting it right over here. Maybe I have to take this out and see what the location is, because my final place is, I would like to actually put it right here, because this one can be removed easily. You just snap it out, or I could probably put a hole right here. So depending on the testing that I'll do, if I can charge using USB, or maybe I just want this and just put the USB inside, since I'm not really going to use it much. Once I have the CDs on my USB drive, as long as I can access this, then I should be good. Okay, so just a quick test on functionality. Just want to make sure everything still works after I install this. AM, FM, let's see, still works. CD, see if the CD changer still works. One. So it looks like everything works. So really, by removing that plug in the back and replacing it with this one right here, nothing was really removed from my original stereo function. So it looks like everything works fine. Okay, let's see if I push the aux button. Now it shows CD4. According to the reviews, this is actually the aux working, and now you see it has a blue light. You can see it right there. So I'm not sure if I can plug this to my phone and still continue doing a video to test it. We'll see. So let me see, let me plug this in. This is the USB port. Let's see if it can read the CD or the music that I put here. Okay, let's see. It's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, let's plug it in. There you go. It's pretty clear. Actually, I like the sound. So I remove this one right here, and I found the best place to hide it. No, they said you can hide it right here. I think the best place to hide it for me is gonna be right over here, where it's gonna be closer to where I want to put it. So it's either put it right here, put it right here, or put it right here. I got everything installed. I'm putting it back. Just make sure you don't forget this one, because this one always falls under it. So when you put the panel back, make sure you grab this and install it first, and then do the other two. So everything seems to be working properly. Even when I remove the one that comes with the stereo, so I assume that is for the XM. In case you decided to subscribe, since my car said it's XM ready, I never subscribed to XM radio, so I assume that is the one that controls this aux port before. Okay, so everything works well. You don't need a Y adapter when you install it on your Honda Odyssey EX. I have EX 2007 with 6 compact disc changer, and everything works well. Fine. Thank you. Everything's installed. It took me about half an hour to do it. That's including trying to do the video. So if you just do it yourself, maybe 20 minutes, you'll be set.